SIMmachina Tools tutorial. A CAD model is to be created from an existing flange. The flange is used to mount a servo motor to a gearbox. All measurement data for the flange has already been determined and is available. Open the flange calculator window. Select the basic type of flange. In this case, it is a square flange with 2 whole circles and a centering hub. Enter the data for the flange. Select the inner pitch circle. Enter 4 bores. Click Get to calculate the pitch. Enter the diameter of the bore under D1 and D2. Enter the inner spacing. S1. The measuring principle for pitch calculation. Click Calc to calculate the pitch. Clicking back will apply the calculated pitch. Enter the countersink diameter and the bore diameter. In the next step, enter the side length of the flange under outer diameter. Add the inner diameter as well as the centering diameter. Now switch to the outer pitch circle. Enter the data for the outer pitch circle. Open the preview window. Click Calc. Zoom in on the preview window until everything is clearly visible. As shown in the preview, the pitch circles still need to be rotated. To do this, select the outer pitch circle and check the auto box under Angle Offset. After clicking Calc, the pitch circle will now automatically rotate by half the angle between 2 bores. Next, select the inner pitch circle. For this flange, the bores need to be rotated 29 degrees counterclockwise. Check everything in the preview for plausibility again. The 0 point of all bores and countersinks is currently in the center of the flange. To shift the 0 point, select the new 0 point at one corner of the flange or specify a custom 0 point after selecting the radio button outside the flange. Shifting the 0 point is useful, for instance, for easier scribing during manual processing. For this example, we choose the 0 point in the lower left corner of the flange. Click Calc again and then Create DXF. In the dialog window, select the storage location for the DXF file and click Save. The saved DXF file can now be imported into a CAD program, and a 3D model of the flange can then be created. If the bore pattern is to be machined directly, click Report. The report contains all the entered data for the flange and, at the end, the coordinates of the individual bores. These can now be scribed and drilled directly. Print the report and take it to the machine. The original flange. The DXF file generated in the program. After importing into a CAD system, a 3D CAD model of the flange can be created within minutes using simple steps.